Warning, the following stories include explicit references to sex and sexual assault. This will be an exercise in restraint. These stories will autoplay. You may only touch your screen to stay in sync with me. All of these references can be found in my Arena channel. In our lecture performance studio course at Yale School of Art, Julio Correa experimented with an Instagram stories as lecture format. I further developed this format in collaboration with Julio for this evening's lecture. A Sexual History of the Internet. Thank you so much to the team that made this possible. Thank you to the team at MOCA. And thank you all for being part of this experiment.